In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add categories to your Weebly blog, a task that can often streamline your audience's navigation experience and make your content more organized. Let's dive right in. First, begin by going to Weebly's homepage. This is the starting point for all the magic we're about to create. Once you're there, you'll need to log in. Simply use your email and password to access your account. If you're not logged in yet, make sure you are focused and have your login details handy. Once your login is successful, locate the login button and click on it. This step ensures that you are set up correctly to start editing your site. After logging in, navigate to the Edit Site option. This is where you'll find all the tools you need to customize your blog. Once you're in the edit mode, click on the edit button. This action will take you to a more detailed view of your website where you can begin making changes to specific posts on your blog. Next, you'll want to click on your blog section. In the editor, find your blog and select it. This step is crucial because it ensures that you are working within the correct area of your site. After selecting the specific blog you want to change, find and click on Post Options. This will open a menu allowing you to adjust various settings related to your post. While you're in the Post Options menu, look for the plus Add Categories button and click it. This button is what you need to start structuring your blog content. Clicking on this option will display the categories available to you. You can now add new categories to better organize your posts. Think of categories as labels that can group similar content together, making it easier for your audience to find topics of interest. Once you've added the categories, feel free to exit Post Options. There's no save button here, as Weebly automatically saves the changes you make. Now, for the final touch, drag and drop blog categories from the Elements section onto your page. This is a good time to position them in a way that matches your site's layout and user interface. When everything seems to be in the right place, simply click Update. This ensures that all your changes are saved and published for your audience to see. Finally, hit Close to exit the editing interface. And presto, your categories are now added to your Weebly blog, enhancing its navigation and organization significantly. Remember, well-categorized blogs not only improve user experience, but also help in managing your content efficiently. Thanks for watching, and happy blogging.